Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule your New York DMV Learner's Permit test online. Once you turn 16, you don't have to go in person to start the process. It's super easy and I'll walk you through it. First, go to this website, dmv.ny.gov. I'll drop the link in the description below as well. Now scroll down until you see Begin Your Online Permit Application. Click on that. And once you're there, tap Register. Since most of us don't have an account yet, just fill out the form. It's really simple. After that, you'll be asked to look into your camera for a few seconds, and that's part of their ID check. And once that's done, they pretty much handle everything else. And after you finish all that, you'll still need to stop by the DMV, but it's only for a few minutes. That's where you'll actually get your permit. And also, one important thing, you'll need to go with someone who's over 18 years old. And that's it. That's how you schedule your New York DMV Learner's Permit test online. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.